The 2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, advanced technology package, compass, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.